there, my name is Miss Ramirez. I am studying to become a teacher at Tarleton State University in Fort Worth. Today, I'm going to show you my zip kit. My zip kit is about living and non-living things. Today, my helper will be my daughter, Emma.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Emma, are you ready to learn about non-living things?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Living and non-living things. It's alive. Think about the world around you. How do we know if something is alive? How do we know if something is alive, Emma?
We see it move.
We see it move. If it needs food, water, and air to survive, it's a living thing. Living things need food to make energy, and pigs eat slop. It must be living. Plants are living too. They make their own food with a little help of the sun. Do you feed a computer?
No.
If it doesn't need food to survive, it is
A non-living thing.
good job. Does it need air? Take a deep breath. People are living things and need air to breathe. Does a rock breathe?
No.
It must be.
A non-living thing.
Good job. If it's a living thing, it needs water. Water helps living things stay healthy. A horse drinks water. It must be.
A living thing.
A bicycle doesn't drink water. It must be a.
Non-living thing.
Good job. Living things can move. Some living things hop, skip, or run. Plants move too. They turn to face the sun, and they open their flowers to bloom. Books cannot move on their own, so they must be.
A non-living thing.
Can you pick which things are living and which are non-living?
The paint
Is what?
is a non-living thing. The shovel is a non-living thing. And the ball is a non-living thing.
And what are living things?
The tree, the turtle, and the puppy.
Good job. Emma, so how do we know if things are living and non-living?
We see if they move,
What else?
if they drink or eat.
Now Emma is going to show you how to do the zip kit.
So, was it already open? We take this out, and we take the game out, and this paper, and the clothespin. The paper clips, the red and the green.
Emma and my husband are going to play the game. And each time they spin, we're going to ask them a question. Is it living or non-living? And can you tell me why?
Non-living. I want to choose the house.
Emma, can you tell me why the house is the non-living thing?
Because it doesn't breathe.
What else?
It doesn't eat or drink.
Good job. Now let's see your dad.
Living. First living thing is a bird
Can you tell me why that's a living thing?
because it moves, it eats, it drinks.
And as you can see, Emma went to the finish line, so she is the winner.
Yay!